none of your business. Go off.
Oh, I know everything about you. Your partner just went to jail. The police just got your lab. All your money. Oh, it seems you don't need my help at all. What? Methamphetamine? Huh? Oh. Oh. You know your business. I know chemistry. As expected.
How do you do that, man? I want more. What do you want from me?
Okay, so before we get into your business, you have to get into my world first, the world of chemistry. These are the necessary lab equipment for our job. First, the pipette. Pipette is a glassware that is used to deliver the appropriate amount of solution. For the procedure, first, fill the pipette by suction to above the calibration mark. Second, remove bulb and immediately cover stem with finger. Adjust the level of meniscus to calibration mark. Fifth, drain freely into receiver. Touch pipette to side of container to transfer off the calibrated volume. And finally, the pipette is calibrated. Second, the burette. Burette is cylindrical glassware used to dispense known amount of liquid reagent. As for the procedure, first, rinse the burette with the water, then with a solution. Second, set up the clean burette. Third, fill the solution into the burette and drain small amount of it through the tip. And finally, refill the burette until the meniscus of the solution is at the zero mark. Please give me a ขอร้องจริงขอร้องจริง
Nope.
Why don't we just do it my way? Just mix everything together.
What? This is chemistry. You have to control every process in order to acquire an accurate result. These will help improve the quality of our product.
You know what? Screw it. Just do it your way.
Alright, so let's get into titration. Okay, so this is my assistant. He will help you with titration. Hi.
The first chemical you have to know before the titration process is the indicator. The indicator is a chemical which has the property of appearing in one color when in a solution of one pH and a different color when in a solution of a different pH. In titration, we will use a proper indicator which is suitable to our pH range to determine the pH level of a solution. For instance, phenolphthalein changes its color at pH 7. So you have to carefully determine which indicator is appropriate to use with the pair of acid and base you prepare.
Hi, yeah, it's me. Look, I need your help. The guy doesn't seem to want to listen to a word I just said, so you free? Great! Yeah, come here in 2 minutes. Alright, thanks.
A few inches later.
Moreover, before you start titration, it is necessary for you to be able to differentiate between the endpoints and the equivalent points. The endpoint is the point where the indicator changes its color, whereas the equivalent point is the point where the exact neutralization occurs. As I told you before, if you properly choose the indicator, the endpoints and the equivalent point must be the same point. Let's start the titration.